Sister wives, Mary Brown hangs with Diani Goke in Arizona. And Cody Brown and Mary Brown look all kissed and made up. I will explain everything. Watch this video until end. Hi lovely viewers. Welcome to my 2S Gossip channel. Sister wives, star Mary Brown got to hang with Diani Goke in Arizona. Diani on a tour right now, and this weekend saw him perform in Arizona. Not only did she get to hang with him while he was in Arizona, but he posted a photo of the two of them on Instagram. In it, he said that he loves catching up with Mary and noted that she's seriously the sweetest lady I know. Sister wives Mary Brown responds with her own copy of Diani Goke post. Mary Brown posted the same photo of them together. Her caption was equally kind. She wrote, "Had a great time tonight, hanging out with Diani Goke. Such an inspirational person who has so much to offer the world. Thanks for being an awesome friend." So, it looks like the pair gets along just fine. Sister wives fans may not know that Diani started out as a singer for his church. He later became the worship director at Faith Builders International Ministries, Milwaukee, according to AP. He later was a popular singer on American Idol. Some of Mary followers admitted they were more than a little bit envious of her getting to hang out with Diani Goke. Others thought it marvelous that she had such a good friend. Here is what some of them had to say. Almighty are blessed, what? I'm so jealous. Chessgirl 2424, so jealous. Chessgirl 2424, Kaleidoscope 0522 Sem. He amazing. Angela Pins 2015, he is amazing. Lucky. Meanwhile, MRSW Graham posted up, "We love his music. Such an incredible singer and it helps my son and I bond in the mornings. If numbers really make a difference in people's lives, then number 8 is Danais. On the 8th season of American Idol in 2008, on the 8th day of the 8th month, he auditioned. Eventually, he made it to 3rd place. Fans love the way he uses his music to take out a Christian message. Diani is all about love and hope. His Better Than I Found It Foundation shares a quote where he said, "I see my music as a movement, mixing hope and entertainment." On Diani Instagram, a couple of fans were keen to find out how Mary Brown of Sister Wives met him. One facetiously noted that maybe his wife was the sweetest person he knew. The reality TV star actually lost his first wife tragically, and 4 years later, in 2012, he married Lizette Peralta in Miami. Mary Brown has some loyal sister wives followers. Many of the messages to her mentioned how they like to see her happy, smiling these days. All in all, it's been a busy few days for Mary Brown. In fact, she got stuck into the unpacking of the move, met a deer peeping through her window in Flagstaff, and got to spend time with Diani Goke. Sister wives, stars Cody Brown and Mary Brown went through a torrid time in their relationship. Fans went through heartache while tabloids and bloggers speculated Mary would never stay with Cody. Others worried the show would remain cancelled forever. But, after Mary posted up a new Instagram photo of her and Cody this week, followers are happier. It certainly looks like Cody and Mary kissed and made up. Sister wives, Cody Brown and family moved to Flagstaff. The photo shared by Mary Brown shows her and Cody standing together before the final move to Flagstaff last week. Cody got his arm around her and she leaning into him and cuddling back. Both of them look amazingly well, as though their hardships put their troubles in the oven and popped out a bunch of cupcakes. Fans of Sister Wives expressed their delight at seeing the two of them together and looking easy in each other's company. At AR McGill summed up what most people felt about it. "This is really heartwarming. Glad you worked through everything and have come out stronger and more in love with your family than ever XX." Mary explained how, just as they finished up and were about to get on their way, someone said they needed a photo. The picture came out so well, Mary decided it's one of her favorites. She asked the sister wives' followers and friends on Instagram if they thought it would be nice for a Christmas card. Mary mentioned that 6 years ago, they took a photo in the same spot. Now, fans want to do the same as she said and compare the two photos. You can see how they changed by looking at the old video below. She changed a lot more than Kody Brown, as you can see in the Insta post lower down in the article. Mary, Robyn, Janelle, and Christine face more challenges than most wives. Multiple relationships with one central man, holding it all together cannot always be a walk through the park. Several seasons back, we saw how Janelle wouldn't even speak to Mary if they went somewhere in a car together. She went through heart-wrenching decisions over divorcing Kody so he could adopt Robyn kids. Then she went through the whole catfishing experience, which may haunt her for the rest of her life. TLC showed the sister wives couple about a year ago, going to therapy to try and sort out their differences. Mary said at the time that Kody Brown was kind of aggressive about the catfisher. At that time, both of them were making an effort to see if they could save their relationship. Then, back in July, it became obvious things were improving. Kody flew out to Chicago to see her on their anniversary, when she was at a Lulero leadership conference. Sister wives followers hated seeing Mary in tears and Kody looking saddened. Many of them expressed on Instagram how happy they are that things seem better. In fact, it does rather look like they kissed and made up, judging by the photo. What goes on behind closed doors may turn out completely different, of course. However, followers of the show can't help but hope things turn out well for them. Sister Wives fans can recall Mary Brown, Kody, and Mariah revisiting their old Utah home. Back then, Kody said the empty house had no soul. In fact, it was a bit of a creepy experience. Now, it seems Mary went through that same no soul house deja vu moment, but this time, in Vegas. Sister Wives moved from Utah to Las Vegas, to Flagstaff. About 5 years ago, Mary, Kody, and Mariah went for a college visit. Thinking Mariah may want to use the old house while at college, they stopped off to look at their old house in Lehi. While there were obviously memories there, it really seemed to creep out Kody. Even Mary agreed the soul had disappeared from the home. Maybe Mariah felt creeped out too, as she opted for a different type of college experience. This week, Mary experienced a similar feeling. On her Instagram, she posted up a photo of her in her old Vegas house. It seems the sister wives fans' questions about the home are answered. So many people previously asked if they would sell the Vegas house. Mary explained in her caption that she there to get the place cleaned up. That's because it's going on the market. But she noted that the experience of being in the empty home is surreal. In her caption, Mary noted, honestly kind of a surreal day, standing here in my empty Las Vegas bedroom. As she already went through a similar experience with the old Utah home, it must really hit home. But, Mary also noted that Flagstaff a whole new adventure to look forward to. For the sake of Mary, and all the Brown family, Flagstaff hopefully will be the last stop for them. Leaving memories of life behind once in a while opens new doors, but 2 times already must be enough for the Brown family. While most Sister Wives fans know the whole story about the move from Vegas by now, many UK fans got a bit confused. Apparently, over there, the seasons tagged along behind the US. Some UK followers even asked if Mary divorced Kody yet. However, it seems most of them now understand the Flagstaff move, as followers explained it to them patiently. Fans asked Mary some things and she replied, which is why fans love Mary Brown. After watching all you guys get set up together there in Vegas, I am surprised you're moving. I really thought that was your guy forever home. I am so curious to know why the move. I am happy for you guys in anything that makes you happy. Mary replied, saying, we did go through a lot, but we never said it was our forever home. Additionally, in answer to questions about when the next season is coming along, Mary said, it hasn't been announced yet. Thanks for watching this video. What do you think about this video? Told on comment box and subscribe your channel.